Introducing Pete from L&L Glass.
My name's Pete French. I'm the owner of L&L Glass. We've been doing this for 20 years and focus on interior glass, showers, mirrors, wine features, a lot of the services that Smart Glazier can have in the world. L&L Glass has been using Smart Glazier software since 2021, going on 3 years now.
How has Smart Glazier software helped your company?
How much time do you have? Smart Glazier has helped our business from every facet, from quoting to scheduling to invoicing. It's actually changed how we run our organization and how we use all of our team members. So we now have just for lack of a better term, a roadmap from start to finish. And I'm big on the sales cycle, from quoting to information, to sales, to installation, to invoicing. And this ties the loop better than anything I've ever seen.
Has the software helped you with quoting?
The software has helped with our quoting. It's revamped our quoting to where it's kind of the initial reason why I came to Smart Glazier was I felt like we were a professional company, but our quoting looked like we were archaic and you couldn't even see what you were getting. And then having that interface with our email, it makes it so easy to just put it together, click send, and now the pretty picture and the price and the label and identification of what that shower is all right in front of the customer. Super easy.
What's your favorite feature of Smart Glazier Business?
My favorite feature of the software, the quoting was awesome because that's how we got introduced, and just being able to see just a 3D real time of the shower that we're building for somebody is phenomenal. The other part that has helped us tremendously is the scheduling. And with multiple crews that we have, being able to see the pins on where they will be at any time, huge in scheduling, making things efficient. If Keith were here, our scheduler, he would agree with me. That's one of the best features.
How has Smart Glazier software helped your business grow?
How has Smart Glazier helped us grow? I would say from an operational standpoint. So not even using the features, but because of the software, it's changed how our organization thinks. It's the backbone of what we do. It allows for us to take our team members and have them focused in certain areas. Like you focus on sales, this person's focused on scheduling. We have other people focused on production. They can all get all of that done now through one system. So the software is great. I had no idea it was going to be the backbone on how we run our operations. It's the automation or the ease of process from one step to the next. Take quoting, for example. We say we measured a shower, we've got the details, we've talked to the customer, we send them an email. That's it. They click accept. It then comes back to us and tells us we need to fabricate this and set up an installation date. A lot of those steps are already taken care of just in the automation that Smart Glazier provides.
Why did you choose Smart Glazier software?
We decided to go with Smart Glazier over anybody else because of all the offerings. When we were able to say this is kind of what we're looking for, they had a solution and it wasn't going to be a hack or something that was in works. And that was important if we were going to invest in something that we were going to use for not just the foreseeable future, but hopefully something that's tattooed to our business. We needed a product and a company that we thought would grow with us. And Smart Glazier has not proven us wrong one minute.
Would you recommend Smart Glazier software?
If somebody were looking for a glass software solution, I would 100% recommend Smart Glazier. As somebody who's done this a long time and somebody who's looked at different things and knowing what I'm looking for in something, I've never had the answers returned, basically my hopes and prayers answered, but I haven't had my questions answered the way Smart Glazier's been able to do it. On top of that, as things evolve, Smart Glazier listens to the customer and implements that, as I've seen here at the trade show. Many new things I didn't even know were in the works.
See how Smart Glazier software can benefit your business. Visit our website at smartglazier.com or get in touch. We're excited to help you.